Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and I have a rather large cube-shaped box here for a quick unboxing video. Sorry, it's not making for the best video here because this box is so large. So let me slide this off and get it open. I actually should have opened this a long time ago. This is from Art. I bought a watch from him, and he said he found some extra links. He wanted to send them over. And I think he said there's some other stuff in here too. So, just banging the camera. Let's get this thing out of here. Okay, I don't know what's in here. I feel kind of bad about not opening this up earlier now. I'm gonna have to send him a message to say thank you. I don't know what's in here. Yay, cool, a Zippo lighter. Thanks, Art. Oh, let's see what's in here. Need to get a better handle on all the stuff I buy for video here. This must be for the SBDC 055. Just like a little notebook here. There's something else in here, I think. Okay, so here's the links for the Tron, which you can, yeah, it's very easy to tell what these are for with that particular grid pattern, the laser etched IP coated stainless steel. So I don't know what this is. Oh, cool. More knife. I think they are out of Sweden, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I'm gonna need to send him a note thanking him for all this stuff. I feel bad. Yeah, Sweden. I think that's what I said, right? Made in Sweden. So let me see if I can get this open without cutting myself. Maybe this is just for the packaging. Pretty sure that's meant to come off. Now let me pause the video. Alright, so I finally got that plastic piece off of there. I think it's just for shipping, so the knife doesn't come out of the sheath. It's a cool baby blue color. Man, this is very nice. Alright, that will do it for this video. Not what I was expecting, but yeah. Thanks again, Art. I'll talk to the rest of you guys soon.